Welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. It has been a long time, I know. I'm very sorry. I sprained my ankle, I had a knee scooter. It was not fun, it was not pretty, but I'm back. And I'm back with some carrot cake cookies. This is just in time for Easter. I've made these, I think, 2 years ago with my students, and they loved it, I loved it, and I wanted to share this with you. If you are a fan of carrot cake, but the cake slice is a little too big, these carrot cake cookies are perfect for a tiny little treat. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning from here on out with videos just like this one. All right, let's get baking. 1 cup butter softened, 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1½ cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, ½ a teaspoon salt, 2 cups grated carrots, 1 cup chopped pecans, 8 ounces cream cheese softened, ½ a cup butter softened, 4 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, green and orange food coloring. Okay, this is a pretty easy dish to make. The longest amount of time is waiting for the cookies to cool, but once you have all your ingredients measured out, you're just throwing it all together and putting it in the oven. So, I know I've talked a lot about this, and I finally have one. Oh, look at this beautiful thing. Oh wait, this way. It's not new and it's not mine. It is my grandma's, and she let me have it, borrow it, keep it, I don't know. But I'm using it for this video. So I'm super excited because this is gonna make whisking and everything so much easier. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. I have already done that. And now we are going to mix together our butter and our sugars. Dump these on in. I cut them up into little pieces so that they would soften quicker, but you don't have to do that. Sugar. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this machine. And your brown sugar. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need a spatula because all my butter got stuck in all my butter got stuck in the whisk. Okay, so I'm beating it until it is creamy. That don't look creamy. That looks crumbly. Maybe my butter wasn't soft enough. All right, I think that's good enough. Next step is to add my eggs and vanilla. I have 2 eggs ready. 1 and 2. And vanilla. It's so yellow. All right, the next step is to add my flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Here goes the flour, baking soda, salt, salt, and cinnamon. I'm just scraping the sides. Oh my gosh, it's just a ball. Okay, I'm scraping the sides because flour gets stuck and other things get stuck, and you just want to be sure that everything is mixed and there's not just big chunks of flour everywhere. All right, last step of making the dough, I just need to fold in my carrots and my pecans. Carrots, pecans. pecans. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Ugh. Oh my gosh, this is hard. When I made these before, the little kids did all this, and I just told them what to add, when to add it. This is hard. Oh my gosh. I give up. It's folded in well enough. Now I need to get my cookie tray ready and then scoop out the cookies. So I'll be right back. I have cookie trays. I put parchment paper on it. All I need to do is, whoa, that's big. Scoop out. Oh, do I touch it with my hand? Again, I did not do this last time. The children's did it. I feel like they're very close together and they are gonna like bake into each other and not be perfect little squares, circles. I guess we'll find out together. Done scooping them. My hands are disgusting, but it's fine. I can wash them. It makes about 24. I probably could have made one more, but that's totally fine. 24 cookies is plenty. I'm gonna go throw it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes and then let them cool so that I can put the icing on. I will be back. Okay, my cookies are out of the oven. The last thing we need to do is make our cream cheese frosting. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna add my powdered sugar, then my butter, my cream cheese, and my vanilla. Let's do this. Okay, the last cute little thing that we have to do is put orange and green food coloring into some of our frosting so that we can make a little carrot on top. It's gonna look so cute. We don't need a lot. Then I have my food dye, green, maybe 2 drops. And for orange, 1 red, and a lot of yellow. Oh, that's bright orange. Oh my. And then my green, I don't want it as bright, so I added more white. Okay, so I have my green, orange, and white frosting. I am using Ziploc baggies for piping my frosting. I'm gonna do white first and shove it in there. I'm going to snip the edge and start squeezing. I mean, did I need the piping bag now that I think about it? Probably not. Okay, now I do need to pipe my orange and green, that's for sure. Orange, good to go. Let's make a carrot. It's the tiniest carrot ever. Ah! How cute. I'm gonna do this 24 more times and I will be right back. Okay. This was my attempt at food photography. No, really, it's very sad. I wish I knew how to do food photography, but I don't. And that's just how it's gonna be. I've already had it. Some people out there have already had it. Our neighbors already had it. They said it was delicious. Literally tastes like a carrot cake. So good. And then it has the little carrots on top and they're so cute. It's moist, it's delicious, not too sweet, and the pecans add a nice little bite to it. like crunch, but they're not hard. They're pretty soft. I think because of them being mixed in with the batter and cooking, they softened up. I don't think they're really hard to begin with. But anyways, they're not hard. And then the cream cheese frosting. Guys, if you are not a believer of cream cheese frosting, you need to try it again because it is amazing. Okay, there we go. This is quick, easy carrot cake cookies. I hope that you guys can make them for your Easter get-together super quick. And the cool-off time wasn't even as long as I expected. They cooled off like that. You leave them on the pan for a little bit and then you take them off, and they were cooled in like 10 minutes. I mean, I made the cream cheese frosting, colored it, put them in the baggies, and then I was able to frost them. They were not hot at all. Some of them did come out flatter than the other ones and not as stable. Like you have to hold it like with your whole hand instead of like one hand, whole hand. But besides that, they taste delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Easter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. And I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye.